You double tap the screen, share live, repost live. Double tap the screen, share live, repost live, man. Let's jump into the phones. I'm not Nicholas Adrian, you know that. Price is very dependent on the condition of your shoe. Send me a message. First pair, what's good, bro? Yeah, double tap the screen, share live, repost live, man. You want to see more of my work, go to my main page, too. What's the high end? I don't know what that is. The only thing I know is if you ask about a quote, you ask for a price, send me a message, send me a video of your shoes, and I'll give you a price. That's the only thing I understand. Rah. Did you send the other package out, Rah? You send the other package out yet? Double tap the screen, share live, repost live, all that, man. Oh, so arrogant, what's good? All right, so we gonna clean up these phones, right? And look, like I be saying, they be coming all the time. Hey man, do you do phones? Then when I do them, they'll never be in here to see that I'm doing phones. So these right here, they getting the cleaning and the icing. I got some that I'm gonna re-glue too, but I'm not gonna do them on live yet. You work on a few pairs? Yeah, man, stay on your grind, dog. Keep up the great work, man. Stay on your grind, bro. Detroit guy, yeah. Make sure y'all appreciate you joining the fan club. Send a heartbeat and join the fan club too. So yeah, double tap the screen, share live, repost live, all that. Yeah, man. You go get there. You go get there. You go get there, homie. Double tap the screen, share the live, repost the live, all that, man. If you need something done, send me a message on here or my main page. I'm going to pin it up there. That's my main page right there. What do you say? My boy got clean over there. Where you are, where am I? I'm located in Decatur, Georgia, Metro Atlanta. That's where I'm at. What kind of what? Bobos? What's a bobo? Talking about the shoes? What kind of shoes are they? These some foam pockets. These some foam pockets that I'm cleaning up. Them ice soles. Now I don't know. We'll see. They might come back all the way clear. I don't know. I'll see once I clean them up and put them up under the UV light for the first 24 hours. Then I'll know. How you fix the ice bottoms on them? I'm finna show you right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm cleaning it right now like I'm doing, and I'm gonna get it as clean as possible. Appreciate you joining the fan club. What is it? Under. I don't even know what that is. Oh yeah. Yeah, I clean them. Then I put my soy sauce on them. Put them up under a UV light. You don't necessarily need a UV light. You can use the sunlight, but speed racer looks good. I think these are like 2017 or 2016, 2017. Do I clean women's bags? Not really. How long I've been doing? I've been doing about 8 years now. Well, I've been doing it for 8 years, really. Well, these are Foamposites. I think they're Olympic foams. People who know. I don't. You know what? I don't even have no Foamposites, to be honest. But people who wear them know. Where's my? Man, I know that boy ain't take my thing up out of here, bro. So yeah, double tap the screen, share live, repost live, all that. Hold on. All right. And you gotta get them as clean as possible. That's where you get the best results. But shoot, took long for me to restore. I don't know. I don't even know. It depends. You keep wasting money. You gotta wash shoes for them. Yeah, double tap screen share live, repost live, all that. Man. Yeah, these should come back pretty good. We'll see though. We'll see. We'll see. Like this literally had no reason to fall. Like nothing pushed it, and nothing over here shaking. What cleaner do I recommend? I recommend my shoe cleaner. It's available on my website. Send me a message, I'll send you the link. Or just go to my main page and then you will see it in my link tree in my bio. They took me out the FYP again. How long does it take? What do you do a pair of Nikes? About 7 to 14 days on cleanings. It's about 7 to 14 days. We're really about 14 days. I got so many orders, man. I got backed up. Backed up orders, so it's about 14 days wait. It might be before then, but you know, I always extend it out a little bit. That way, nobody will be hitting me up the next day. I can't stand nobody hitting me up the next day asking me about these shoes, bro. I really can't. Especially if you came over here and you seen how many orders I got. Bro, don't be trying to sell no drugs over here, dog. You know what I'm saying? You trying to sell that over here, homie. Oh yeah, I'm doing a pair right now. These gonna be done. These are once I get my hands on them, they done. Like, you know what I mean? These probably be done depending on how long it take for this to be iced. But they gonna be clean now. So it don't take me no 2 hours to clean the shoe. No, I'm cleaning the shoe now. I'm cleaning the pair. The pair gonna be done. You know what I'm saying? Once I pull it from up under the light. It's just, you know what I'm saying, the process of this turning back clear. You feel me? That's the whole thing. Yeah, man. See, yeah, I'm gonna have to. I gotta get all this dirt up out here. No, I can't do that. I got too much dirt in these. I can't stand these little grooves be having these dirt spots in them. You gotta get it all the way out before you ice it. That way you get the best results. So, yeah, once I put these up under the light, the next step is just waiting for them to turn back clear, man. I'm gonna show you a pair. Hold on. I put up under the light. I think I did them Friday. What's today? Monday. I think I did them. See? You know what I mean? You can tell how yellow they were because they still you can still see a little bit of brown around them. So I put these up under the light. Like, I think it might have been yesterday. Either Saturday or Sunday. I put them up under the light just the other day. It wasn't too long ago. I know that. And this right here, what I'm doing, I'm going over somebody else's work. You know what I mean? He just really paid to just get the shoes iced. You know what I mean? I'm going over somebody else's work. They didn't really do a good job on the icing. Now, one thing about it, all of them ain't really gonna come all the way back icing. It depends on the all of them ain't gonna come all the way back icing. It just depends on the wear of the shoe, and you know what I'm saying? That's what it depends on, really. Your cool gray is yellow, almost brown, is supposed to shade back. I mean, they'll look better. I mean, all you can do is send them in. You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying? I did these cool grays right here. I did these on live. These right here, I did these on live. You know what I mean? The brown on these came from age, but I did these on live. They was cooked. I re-glued them. I'm getting ready to re-gloss them. I might do it on live, but you know what I'm saying? I re-glued these shoes. I broke them down. I think I re-glued them on live. I can't remember, but I probably did. But anyway, you know what I'm saying? Only thing the next step is just to re-gloss them. But I had, you know what I'm saying, put everything back together. Yeah, send me a message, Chance. But remember now, this is the 2010 pair. It's not the new release. I got some new releases too. Hold on. So here go the 2021 pair right there. You know what I'm saying? And I iced these too. And they was brown. You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I mean? It depends on how bad they get worn. That's what it all depends on. So yeah, double tap the screen, share it live, repost it live, all that, man. But yeah, I'm gonna clean these foams up and then remove all that dirt out of the grooves and then get them back icy. But I'm gonna put these back under the light because I think they could come back just a little bit better. You know what I mean? They still got tread on them. You know what I'm saying? But I think they could come back a little bit better. So I'm putting them back up under the light. All right, they gave me a flag, y'all, for no reason. Didn't even say that. I'm gonna restart. They gave me a flag for no reason. Let me appeal it, bro. Let me just appeal it first. Cause you know what I'm saying? I didn't even say nothing. I wasn't even here. Let's see. Yeah, they got me on the FY. They took me on the FYP anyway. So, yeah, I'm gonna restart, man. I'm gonna restart. Make sure y'all follow the page, and then I'm gonna jump right back on. Yeah, you know, like you hear, right? You say I ain't even say nothing. I ain't getting on no trolls or nothing. You know what I mean? They just be doing weird stuff. I can't, man. Folks just lame, bro. They just be doing weird stuff, bro. But you know, it is what it is. You know what I mean? I can't get mad at nobody how they run their business. I'm finna restart.